Warriors, say hello to the Win cordless 6.5-inch track saw. Brushless with variable speed, two 20-volt max 4-amp-hour batteries with a charger, and available at the link below on Amazon. Your ultimate tool for precision cuts. Say goodbye to your table saw. This tool can rip boards up to 2¼ inches thick and create 45-degree bevel cuts in boards up to 1.65 inches thick. Compatible with the Wentrax and the track saw clamps for added versatility. Experience the freedom of cordless power. Dual 20-volt max battery ports deliver reliable power to the brushless motor with variable speed operation from 2,000 to 5,500 revolutions per minute. The batteries are also compatible with the entire 20-volt max cordless power tool series, expanding your tool collection's potential. Included in the package is a 6.5-inch 48-tooth carbide-tipped blade with a 20mm arbor, ensuring clean and accurate cuts every time. They've also added a track alignment cam and a dust port adapter for a clean and precise working environment. Finally, the Wen cordless 6.5-inch track saw comes with a 2-year warranty, 2 batteries, and a charger, offering you peace of mind and convenience. Grab yours at the link below and don't forget to subscribe for more tool tips.